Cosrx has officially entered the PDRN skincare space, and this is one of their most advanced launches so far. I have been using the Cosrx 5 PDRN B5 Vital Soothing Toner and 5 PDRN Collagen Intense Vitalizing Serum consistently for 3 weeks now, and today I'm sharing a full honest review: ingredients, textures, performance, and whether these actually worth adding to your routine. This is not a first impression, this is real skin, real use. PDRN stands for polydeoxyribonucleotide, and in skincare, it's known for helping support skin regeneration, healing, and barrier recovery. Think of PDRN as a skin recovery ingredient rather than an active like retinol or vitamin C. It doesn't exfoliate, it doesn't irritate, it works quietly in the background to help skin repair itself. PDRN has gone viral recently because there's been a huge shift in skincare from aggressive actives to barrier health and skin longevity. More people are dealing with overexfoliation, sensitivity, inflammation, and weakened skin barrier, and PDRN fits perfectly into this new skin recovery first approach. It's also being talked about a lot in K beauty and dermoaesthetic spaces where the focus is no longer instant glow but stronger, healthier skin over time. PDRN is usually associated with professional treatments and recovery care, so seeing COSRX formulated into daily use skincare is a big step. This line is clearly designed for skin recovery, barrier repair, elasticity, and long term skin health, not instant glow or aggressive anti aging. One of the most interesting things about this COSRX line is that they didn't rely on just one source of PDRN. Instead, both the toner and the serum are powered by 5 multi-origin PDRNs, which means the PDRN is derived from 5 different biological sources, each contributing slightly different skin benefits. So the first source is salmon PDRN, which is for skin repair and regeneration. Salmon-derived PDRN is most researched and widely used form of PDRN. It's known for supporting skin regeneration, healing, and visible recovery, which is why it's often used in professional skin repair treatments. So, in skincare, salmon PDRN helps improve skin resilience, texture, and overall vitality, especially when skin feels damaged, thin, or stressed. This is the backbone of the formula. Second source is Centella asiatica PDRN, which is for calming and barrier strength. Centella asiatica PDRN brings in a completely different benefit: soothing and barrier repair. Centella is famous for calming redness, reducing inflammation, and supporting wound healing. When used in PDRN form, it helps strengthen the skin barrier, making this line especially suitable for sensitive or reactive skin. This explains why these products feel calming rather than aggressive. Third source is Rice PDRN for brightness and skin smoothness. Rice derived PDRN focuses more on skin clarity and radiance. Rice has been used for centuries in skincare to improve brightness, smooth texture, and even out skin tone. In this formula, rice PDRN supports dull skin, uneven tone, and early pigmentation concerns, working gently over time rather than forcing results. Fourth source is Lactobacillus PDRN, which is for skin microbiome support. This is a very modern addition, Lactobacillus derived PDRN. It focuses on supporting the skin microbiome, which plays a huge role in sensitivity breakouts and barrier health. A healthy microbiome helps the skin become more resilient, less reactive, and better at retaining moisture. This is why the skin feels more balanced with consistent use. And the last source is green caviar or sea grapes PDRN. It's for hydration and elasticity. Green caviar, also known as sea grapes or Caulerpa lentilifera, is a type of marine algae that looks like tiny green pearls, hence the name caviar. It is rich in minerals and polysaccharides. In PDRN form, it helps improve hydration, elasticity, and skin suppleness. This source supports the plump, bouncy feel you get from the serum without making it heavy or greasy. What makes this approach special is that instead of targeting just one concern, these 5 PDRN work synergistically: salmon for regeneration and repair, centella for calming and barrier support, rice for brightness and smoothness, lactobacillus for microbiome balance, and green caviar for hydration and elasticity. So rather than overstimulating the skin, Cosrx focused on overall skin health, resilience, and recovery. What really makes this toner and serum practical for daily use is the addition of vitamin B5, also known as panthenol or pantothenic acid. Vitamin B5 is one of the best ingredients for soothing sensitivity, strengthening the skin barrier, and reducing irritation from external stressors. So instead of PDRN working alone, this toner and serum focuses on repair plus calming, which is ideal for compromised or stressed skin. Before we separate the toner and the serum, let's talk about the ingredients that both products have in common because this is what ties the line together. Both the toner and the serum share the almost same ingredient list because they are built on COSRX core PDRN recovery technology, but the key difference is the concentration and formulation, lighter and more diluted in the toner and more concentrated and performance focused in the serum. So they both have 8 types of hyaluronic acid. Low, medium, and high molecular weight hyaluronic acids provide multi-layer hydration, keeping the skin plump without heaviness. They both have niacinamide. Niacinamide appears very high in the ingredient list for both the toner and the serum, which means it's used at a functional skin effective concentration, not just a supporting ingredient. It supports barrier health, helps even out skin tone, and improves overall radiance. They both have alpha arbutin. Alpha arbutin is a gentle yet effective brightening ingredient that works by inhibiting tyrosinase, the enzyme responsible for excess melanin production. It helps fade dark spots, pigmentation, and post acne marks, even out uneven skin tone without irritation. Much safer for daily use than stronger pigment suppressors. They both have 200 Dalton low molecular weight collagen. 200 Dalton is extremely small, allowing better interaction with the skin compared to the regular collagen. It helps improve skin elasticity and firmness, supports skin barrier strength, enhances skin smoothness and plumpness, improves the look of fine lines caused by dehydration. They both have panthenol and allantoin. These two are excellent for soothing irritation, calming sensitivity, and reinforcing weakened skin barrier. Both of these products have adenosine and acetyl hexapeptide 8. They help improve the appearance of fine lines and support skin firmness over time. These shared ingredients make both products extremely barrier friendly and sensitive skin safe. So, before we talk more about performance, I want to pause and appreciate the packaging because Cosrx has clearly refreshed their aesthetic with this line. Both the toner and the serum come in this soft orange toned packaging, which instantly communicates skin recovery, vitality, and warmth. It feels modern and elevated, but still very Cosrx, clean, clinical, and functional. So the toner comes in a large 280 ml bottle, which is honestly very generous. This size tells you immediately that this is meant to be an everyday, no stress product. You can layer it, use it morning or night, or even apply it with cotton pads without worrying about finishing it too quickly. The bottle is tall, sturdy, and lightweight, easy to hold even with wet hands. The simple flip cap or controlled opening allows you to pour out just the right amount without spilling. Because it's a larger bottle, it feels very stable on the vanity and not flimsy at all. The translucent orange bottle looks beautiful on the shelf, fresh, clean, and very different from Cosrx classic white packaging. It visually reflects what the toner does, calming, soothing, and restoring stressed skin. Now, this toner focuses primarily on soothing, hydration, and barrier repair. It combines 5-PDRN with overall 1000 ppm concentration with vitamin B5, making it ideal for calming stressed or irritated skin. The toner has a watery fluid consistency, but it's not plain water thin. It has a very slight silky slip, which comes from the humectants, panthenol, and hyaluronic acid complex. When you pour it into your palm, it spreads instantly, doesn't feel sticky or heavy, absorbs within seconds on the skin, and it feels cooling and calming, lightly hydrating, not occlusive. It's very comfortable even on the sensitive or post treatment skin. There's no greasy film, no residue, and no tackiness once it absorbs. I usually apply this toner with my hands and gently press it in. On days when my skin feels extra dry or tight, I layer it 2 or even 3 times and it never feels heavy or sticky. It gives that soft, hydrated base that makes my skin feel instantly calmer before I go in with the serum. This toner is perfect for layering because the formula is alcohol free, lightweight, balanced with humectants, soothing agents. You can safely layer it 2 to 3 times, especially if your skin feels dehydrated, you are using actives at night, or your barrier feels compromised. Each layer absorbs fully without peeling, adds hydration without weight, prepares the skin to better receive the serum. Even with 2 to 3 layers, the skin feels fresh, breathable, and not damp or overloaded. I would strongly recommend this toner if you have sensitive or reactive skin, you have dry or dehydrated skin, uneven skin tone or dullness, for early signs of aging, and skin that feels damaged or over exfoliated. If you are looking for instant brightening or aggressive anti aging results, this may feel subtle. Now let's talk about the serum because 100 ml for a serum is huge and very rare. This already makes it feel more like a daily skin health serum rather than a tiny precious treatment you are scared to use. The bottle feels solid and premium with a practical dispenser that gives controlled amounts. It's hygienic and travel friendly compared to dropper bottles. You can easily control dosage without overusing the product. The orange tone here matches the toner, creating a very cohesive routine visually. With 100 ml, you can use it both morning and night. Apply it on the face and neck comfortably. Stay consistent long enough to actually see the results. This aligns perfectly with the idea of PDRN being a long term skin recovery ingredient, not a quick fix. The serum takes everything the toner does, but it has 2000 ppm of PDRN, that's double the toner, and adds a stronger focus on elasticity, firmness, and pigmentation. The serum is slightly thicker than the toner, but still very lightweight. It has a gel serum texture, not runny, not creamy, and spreads smoothly across the skin. It feels light yet nourishing, silky without being slippery, non sticky once absorbed. So after toner, I use 1 to 2 pumps of the serum and gently spread it across my face and neck, pressing it in rather than rubbing. It absorbs quickly and layers well under moisturizer without peeling. So after using both Cosrx 5 PDRN B5 Vital Soothing Toner and 5 PDRN Collagen Intense Vitalizing Serum consistently for 3 weeks, the biggest thing I noticed was skin comfort and stability. This line didn't overwhelm my skin at any point, which is something I can't say about every PDRN product I have tried. So the toner became my daily comfort step. Because the texture is watery and lightweight, I could use it generously, sometimes even layering it twice without any heaviness. So over 3 weeks, my skin felt less reactive, more hydrated throughout the day, noticeably calmer, especially around the cheeks, and I didn't experience stinging, tingling, or sensitivity even when my skin barrier wasn't at its best. So, this toner doesn't force results, it trains your skin to behave better. The serum is where I personally saw the most difference. It's slightly thicker than the toner, but still very breathable, and it gave my skin this soft, cushiony, healthy feel. So, after 3 weeks, my skin felt more resilient. Dryness related fine lines looked softer. My skin texture felt smoother and more even. It didn't give dramatic lifting, but it gave better skin quality, which is honestly what lasts. So, I have tried other PDRN based products before, and many of them use higher concentrations of PDRN. While those can work well, they can also feel too strong for daily use, slightly irritating on sensitive skin, better suited for short term recovery rather than long term routines. With the Cosrx PDRN line, the lower balanced concentration made a huge difference for me. I personally prefer these over stronger PDRN products for everyday skincare, and here's why. The PDRN concentration is low enough to be non irritating. It's combined with barrier supporting ingredients like panthenol, allantoin, and hyaluronic acid. It's designed for consistent, long term use, not quick fixes. My skin responded better to regular, gentle support rather than intense, short burst of treatment. So, if you are someone with very resilient skin looking for dramatic results, you might prefer higher concentration PDRN products. But if you're like me, someone who values skin health, comfort, and long term improvement, this Cosrx line feels much more sustainable. My skin feels calmer, stronger, and healthier. And yes, I genuinely reach for these more than some of my stronger PDRN products. So if you found this review helpful, please give this video a like. It really supports my channel. If you are interested in trying Cosrx PDRN toner or serum, I have linked Yes Style and Style Korean in the description below. You can use my code SHALU1005 for extra savings, and it helps support my work at no extra cost to you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.